Hello parents, so I have a quick announcement for you guys today. Class will be canceled on October 13th, which is this Saturday. This is all regularly scheduled classes and Sugar Plum practice. We are offering some makeup classes to the families as you guys were promised at the beginning of the semester. Tuition increased due to the fact that we have a co-teacher and we offer you 4 classes per month. I'm very sorry that we had to cancel class this coming Saturday, but we are offering 2 makeups to you. Monday, October 15th, starting at 4:15, going till 7. And then again on Thursday, October 25th, starting at 5:45, going till 8:30. If these times don't work for your family, please reach out to me and let me know, and we will see what we can do to make sure that your family gets a makeup time scheduled. As I previously mentioned, the Sugar Plum Fairy rehearsal that was scheduled to start on October 13th will now be pushed to Saturday, October 20th. This will be the first practice available for the Sugar Plum Fairies. And finally, we do want to apologize again for this notice about not having class. Thank you for being so flexible and working with me and Miss Julia as we figure out what it's like to have a program with 2 instructors. We really appreciate having such supportive families such as yourself. Please let me know if you have any questions. You can always reach out to me through the Band app, and I will be happy to answer them. I hope everyone has a great and safe weekend.